Greetings, people of the internet, section number 3, and today I'm unboxing Lucius Malfoy's walking stick wand. So, going, so I might actually, I have to lay down to do this. Oh, gotta be careful. Really? They put tape on there? What? Oh, okay. That's my mom, guys. Don't worry. I wasn't kidnapped by anyone. Really? Did I make that joke in my own house?
Turn it over. No, turn the whole box over.
Like this?
Yeah.
I can't, it's taped in.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. It's officially taped.
No.
Yeah, it is. Well, now my mom's helping me. Oh, scissors? That's actually probably a better idea. I think the knife only works better for this thing. Doesn't look too much like the box. If this is not this, I'm gonna be so embarrassed, and I still have to upload this. Pull it out. Okay. Pull it out. Oh, it's gonna put a dent on this. You owe me $1. Alright, so now, wait. Other side. This is not the right side. Yeah, it is. Are you sure? Alright. I'm so bad at this, I had to have my mom help me. Okay. It's the other side, I'm pretty sure. Okay, I'm gonna start opening.
Hey, you need to turn it over because it's in this bottom part.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
I can open my box, okay?
Okay, well when it falls out back upside down.
Oh, gotta be careful.
Okay. Well,
Okay, what? This is the wand. Ow.
and this is the walking stick right
Yeah.
here.
Okay, careful. Careful, don't break anything.
Here, unwrap it.
Okay, show the camera at my face for a second. So I don't know if you know who this guy is. His name is Sirius Black. That's at least what his, like, YouTube is.
It might be taped in.
No? Oh, it's just really heavy. Oh, wow. Wish that was like, okay, so this is real metal. That's pretty, I like that. That's pretty nice. So, okay, so I don't know if you know who that guy is, but he bought one of these and it was broken. Like, it was all completely bruised and stuff, especially on this. So, alright, let's put this thing in. Hello, I'm Lucius Malfoy. Okay, I'm done. Turn this off now. Bye.